Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app allows you to join a virtual queue for select attractions, entertainment or special experiences when offered. Instead of waiting in a physical line, you will receive a boarding group and can enjoy other parts of the park until it's your turn to return. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to join a virtual queue in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for experiencing select Disneyland attractions and entertainment with less time spent waiting in line. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app, like sign into your account and get ready to join a virtual queue. Now find the virtual queue like inside the app, look for the virtual queue or join virtual queue tile on the home screen, like tap it to view the available attraction or entertainment. Okay, so the app will display the current status and the next distribution time. So select your party, like when the queue opens, confirm the guests who will be joining, like verify that everyone is eligible, and then join the virtual queue, like now reserve your spot. So tap join virtual queue as soon as the distribution begins. So wait for the app to process your request, and if successful you will receive a boarding group or return assignments in the app. Okay, so wait for your notification after joining. Continue enjoying the parks while you wait. So enable app notifications so you don't miss updates. Monitor your boarding group status in the app and you will receive a notification when it's your turn to return. Okay, so return to the experience, like when boarding group is called, head to the attraction experience entrance, present your ticket barcode, QR code or magic band plus if prompted, and enter during your assigned return window. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.